Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about advanced flow control in Python. In this video, we'll explore how Python handles complex decision making and looping structures. You'll learn about nested loops, comprehensions, conditional expressions, pattern matching, and some powerful tools from the iterators module. So let's get started. So let's start with nested loops. A loop inside another loop. These are useful when working with grids, matrices, or multiple dimensional data. Here's an example. For I in the range of 3, for j in the range of 2, print I comma j. So we get all possible combinations of I and j. It's a core concept in pattern generation and data traversals. Loop control statements. Next, let's look at Python's loop control statement break, continue, and else. Break exists a loop early when a condition is met. Continue skips to the next iteration without finishing the current one. And the else block executes only if the loop completes normally without hitting a break. This structures makes your loops more flexible and expressive. Comprehensions. One of the Python's most elegant features is comprehensions. With less dictionaries and set comprehensions, you can generate collections in a single line of code. For example, here we have like x2 for x in the range of 5 quickly creates a list of squares. You can even add conditions. It's concise, readable, and very easy. Conditional expressions. Conditional expressions, also known as iterators, allow you to write compact if-else statements. Instead of using multiple lines, you can write like it's in like result is equal to even if num of this is equal to 0, else it's odd. This improves readability for simple decisions, especially inside loops or list comprehensions. The structural pattern matching. Introduced in Python 3.10, match case statements bring powerful pattern matching to the language. You can match variables, types, or even structures like lists and dictionaries. For example, case of x and y matches a list with exactly 2 elements, and case x like a defaulter similar to else. It's more readable, structured way to handle multiple conditions. Iterators module. The iterators module is a hidden gem for handling advanced looping tasks. It provides functions like count, cycle, repeat, combinations, and permutations. For example, iterators.count 10, 2 starts counting from 10 in steps of 2. These tools make complex iterations much more efficient and elegant. So let's quickly have a recap. You have learned about nested loops, loop control statements, and comprehensions. You have seen how conditional expressions simplify code and how pattern matching enhances readability. Finally, we explored the iterators module for professional level flow control. Thank you for watching this video.